Spring is here, and that means it's time to get your garden ready for a season of growth and beauty. The Flexzilla Garden Hose Kit from US Plastic is a perfect tool for tackling water tasks with ease. Unlike traditional garden hoses that can be heavy, stiff, and difficult to maneuver, Flexzilla is designed for flexibility and convenience. Its lightweight construction makes it easy to carry around your yard, while its durable kink-resistant design helps ensure a smooth, uninterrupted flow of water. Whether you're watering flower beds, maintaining your vegetable garden, or keeping newly planted shrubs healthy, the Flexzilla Garden Hose Kit provides reliable performance season after season. The easy-to-use fittings and rugged construction are built to withstand outdoor conditions while making your gardening routine more enjoyable. Don't let an old, cumbersome hose slow you down this year. Get your garden off to a great start with the Flexzilla Garden Hose Kit from usplastic.com.